Hello guys, this is just a continuation of the video of A1708 model that I was replacing the keyboard. The last part did not go well at that time. Now we have a couple more tools that actually make this project very much doable. So this is the one tool I use to remove the rivets. I have a couple of videos on with the microscope, you know, how they come out with this tool. Also the flush cutters too. They actually, you know, I did not cut it, you know, I did not cut this tool so it gets so I can get the rivets at the edges, but I just use these flush cutters. Actually, you can use the flush cutters all, you know, everywhere, to be honest with you. They work just as well as the tool. Here we go. There's a couple here, as you can see, and I do not cut it. I do not cut it. This is just there's you know, they come out clean. They come out pretty easily and pretty clean. So that's that. Yeah, flush cutter is pretty good. So you can actually use flush cutters all over. And after that, also because these holes on this is 2019 model, it's same principle basically as A1708 2016 to 2017 MacBook Pro without the touch bar. This one is the touch bar, A2159 model. So I was told that by Matt Bone that you need to enlarge these holes basically, because you will not be able to insert the screws. Because the holes, as you can see, there are a couple holes that screws have been already there, and the other holes from the rivets, they are significantly smaller. Like for example, this is the hole. This is the hole, as you can see. Let me double check it. Yeah, this is pretty, actually, yes, that's the right size. So this is the hole that the screw was already there. And these are the holes. Like this one, this hole. Oh, let me remove this one. Get this away. A couple more. Like for example, so I'm gonna get in like this one hole. Like from this holes from the rivets. They are not wide enough to accommodate the screw. The keyboard screw. So in order for that, you need to use the hand drill. I will add the link where you can get it, and I bought the whole set of the drill bits, but basically what you need is 1 millimeter, or I'm using 0.039 inches drill bit. And I believe we don't need to apply too, you know, this is, I haven't done this yet, so I'm gonna do it with you right here. Okay, so find a hole, and what we're gonna do is about, let me see how it goes actually. We don't wanna overdo it too. See if it's actually, maybe like 10 movements. Is it going, or it's just, I don't think it's actually screwing in. Yeah, I think it's not going in actually. Like this one has to go in. You don't want to, you don't go too deep. Yep, like this one might be pretty perfect. Well, I have to find the proper. I think you can kind of feel it because that hole, it kind of stops because there's a hole already there. So I think the screwdriver, you know, the hand drill actually kind of stops there. So I don't think you can actually overdo it, but that's the process basically. So these holes have to be enlarged to accommodate the screw. Yep, this is pretty good actually. Yep. So you can you just need to get a feel of it, and that's that. So basically this whole procedure will make it very much doable, the keyboard replacement, and the proper way. Just a little addition. I think I actually, after a couple tries here, I think I found the proper. Oh yeah, there's one rivet here. I need to get out. Yeah, this is the tool. Okay, so I think I found the procedure that actually works. Basically, you don't apply too much pressure, you know, just barely a little bit of pressure. And let me see if it's okay. Just a little bit with, you know, kind of hold it with the finger, kind of like that. And go ahead and do, so no pressure. And okay. That's not it yet. It kind of has to move freely. So that's then where you kind of reach the bottom of the hole. Like that. Here we go. So we have a free movement. So this is all kind of, it moves freely. So that's the point. So it's reached basically the bottom of the original hole. So now it's kind of basically nothing is in the way of the basically the walls of kind of the edges of the hole, the walls, I would say. Anyway, so this is where you basically stop. Okay, so that's one. So this one I'm gonna remove. These are the flush cutters. Okay, yeah, it actually might be easier with the flash cutters. Anyway, so once again, little pressure, just a finger, very little pressure, like no pressure at all, basically. Okay, and just go with it. No pressure, just hold it kind of in place. No pressure. No pressure. Work it out. And when you feel no resistance, basically, that's when you stop. Like there's some resistance here, but so you keep going until you feel no resistance. Here we go. Yep, that's it. Now it moves freely there in that hole. That's it. Now, yep, that's where we stop. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye, guys.